Hi guys, Jordan here. In this video, we're going to be building a T-Rex 500 type helicopter. We got the T-Rex 500 airframe here. We've got a couple things necessary to do this build. First thing is a radio, a receiver, a satellite receiver for the receiver we're using, a tail servo, and in the ESC, a battery, a gyro, here's the radio, here's the airframe, and some cyclic servos that are pre-installed. Okay, first thing to do is radio setup. So let's put the radio right under here. First thing we're going to want to do, so let me zoom up to my radio. Okay, so you can see my radio. First thing is to turn the radio on. First hold the scroll bar until it clicks, then turn on your radio. You're going to want to select the model you want to make. So channel 8, hit enter, or click the list to make sure that we can set the swatch type. Let's set the swatch to from 1 to 3, which is 120 ccpm. Go back to the list. We have named ours already. Model type, heli. Model or set, you should do that before you do anything, but that's already done for us. And you would say reset. It says, are you sure? I'm going to say no for now. Go back to list. Go back to model select. Hit enter. It's going to go to the main screen. First thing you're going to want to do is we have to bind our radio. So let's take our receiver, which we've got right there, and let's put that up here. So we got our receiver, and we're using an AR7000 satellite receiver, or Spectrum 2.4 AR7000 DSM2. Then for the next thing we're going to need is a receiver wire. You're going to want to plug that in, just like so. There's some metal here, and then there's the normal side. You're going to want to have the metal side facing down, and then plug that into the side of your receiver until it snaps. Then, for the other side, you're going to want to take a satellite receiver. You're going to want to plug that in, same way, the metal facing down. Plug it in until it snaps. There we go. All in place. So, we've got that stuff. Next thing to do is to take your radio. There is a glowing switch back here. We'll turn the radio off. You're going to want to hold this switch. This is your bind switch. Hold that, and you're going to want to turn this on. But first, you're going to want to take your bind plug. You're going to want to plug that into the back, just like so. The metal, just like I do. Then take your ESC, which is going to be our power. Plug that into the throttle channel, just like so. Then you're going to want to put this down. I'm going to plug in a motor so that we can hear it start up and know that it worked. Plug that in just like that. Next thing is you're going to want to take your battery. I'm using a TruRC battery, as you can see. Then you're going to want to take that and plug that into your receiver. It's going to blink, just like so. Then you're going to want to do, just like I showed, hold this, hold the button in the back, and make sure while you're holding it, you turn on your radio. Don't stop holding that button on the back. And now you heard your ESC start up. Next thing to do is unplug your bind plug and your ESC is set. You can check your throttle to make sure to check if it works, just like so, and we know we've got power. And that's pretty much it. Let's now you can skip to the next video, and that will show you how to wire up your helicopter and how to set up most of the electronics. Thanks for watching this video. We can unplug our ESC now and skip to the next video, part 2. Thanks for watching.